So over here at the Yard Goat Stadium, Dunkin' Donuts Park in Hartford, Connecticut, just installed the Jim Beam Highball. Gonna take a walk around the bar just to see what it looks like going on down back there. So here's the setup. We have our chiller unit, a lot of liquor bottles attached to that. So this liquor reservoir is going to run through a bib pump mounted on the wall back there and flows through this chiller, comes out of that braided red and white tube right there and runs up through this insulated line, comes out here. Have a water tie-in under the sink, which is feeding a water filter. It's also behind this unit. Getting chilled and carbonated. Coming up through here. Our CO2 is run down this wall over to here.